Students, today we will begin with question number 10 of exercise 2.4. Chapter is linear equations in one variable. This is a very special question because in this question denominators have binomials. So to take the LCM of binomials is a special thing that you have to learn in this video. Okay. Three whole upon 3x minus 5 minus 2 whole upon 4x minus 7 equals to 6 whole upon 7 bracket start 4x minus 7 bracket close plus 7 whole upon 9 bracket start 3x minus 5 bracket close. So in this case we will take the LCM of this binomial and this binomial. To get the LCM of these two, we just have to put them side by side. Like this. This is the LCM. When we divide this LCM by 3x minus 5, we get 4x minus 7. And this 4x 7 is multiplied by 3. We will put here 3 bracket start 4x minus 7. This minus sign is here. Again, when the LCM is divided by 4x minus 7, we get 3x minus 5. So this 3x minus 5 will be multiplied by 2. So 2 will be outside and 3x minus 5 will be inside the bracket. This is the solution of LHS. Now on the right hand side, we have to do the same thing. The LCM of these two will be taken 7 4x minus 7 9 3x minus 5. Okay. Now similarly this LCM will be divided by this, we get this, and this value will be multiplied to 6. We'll put here 6 multiply by 9 3x minus 5 plus sign will be here. Again this LCM will be divided by this, we get this, and this will be multiplied to 7. We put here 7 multiply by 7 and 4x minus 7 inside the bracket. So we will open the bracket here. 3 4 is 12, 3 7 is 21 minus 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10, positive 10 divided by 3x minus 5 4x minus 7 equals to 6 9 is 54, 7 7 is 49, now 7 9 is 63, 4x minus 7 inside one bracket and 3x minus 5 in the other bracket. Now we can see that we have 4x minus 7 both sides of equation and 3x minus 5 also on the both side of the equation. Only 63 is here and 63 is not here. If we multiply left hand side by 63 up and down, we can get 63 in the denominator. So first we will add them. 12 minus 6 gives you 6x and minus 21 plus 10 gives you minus 11. Now 63 is multiplied. Again 63 down. 3x minus 5, 4x minus 7, and Now we'll open the bracket here. 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 1 16, x will be here, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 26, 27, plus sign, 4 9 is 36, 4 4 is 16, plus 3 is 19, 49, 7 is 343. And below we have 63, 4x minus 7, 3x minus 5. On both sides we can see that 63 is cancelled, 3x minus 5 is also cancelled, 4x minus 7 can also be cancelled. Now 6 3 is 18, 6 is 36, 137, 378x minus 11 3 is 33, 11 6 is 66, plus 3 is 69 equals to, now we can add 162x and 196x. On adding these two x terms we get 358. And on adding these two negative constants, minus 270 and minus 343, we get minus 613. And this 358 will come on the left side with sign change. This is minus 613, and this minus value will come here with sign change, 693. 378 minus 358 gives you 20x, and on solving this, 693 minus 613 gives you 80 of positive. So this 20 will be down, 21 are 24 are, so the value of x is 4. Okay, if you solve this question by copying this solution one time or two time, then solving it again by yourself, you can get this question. Okay, this is question number 12. 3 upon 5 bracket start x minus 4 minus 1 upon 3 bracket start 2x minus 9 bracket close equals to 1 upon 4 bracket start x minus 1 bracket close minus 2. This is the simpler question. 3 upon 5 multiplied by x gives you 3x upon 5. 3 4 is 12. This is minus 12 upon 5 minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2x gives you minus 2x upon 3. Minus into minus will become plus, and when 9 will be divided by 3, you get 3. You can put it 9 upon 3 also. Here 1 upon 4 x into 1 gives you 1x. You can write here x upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 into 1 is 1 upon 4 minus 2. 3x minus upon 5. We will collect here x terms. 2x upon 3, and this x upon 4 will become here minus x upon 4, and on the right hand side we have the constants, all the constants. This minus 12 upon 5 becomes plus 12 upon 5, and this 3 becomes minus 3. This minus 1 upon 4 will be as it is, minus 2 will be as it is, because on the same side the sign are never changed. Now we'll take the LCM of 5, 3 and 4. 5 3 is 15, 15 4 is 60. 60 divided by 5 is 12, and 12 3 is 36. Minus 60 divided by 3 is 20, and 22 is 40. 60 divided by 4 is 15, 15x. On the right hand side, we will take the LCM of 5 and 4 and this one. 5 4 is 20. Now 20 divided by 5 is 4, and 12 4 is 48. Minus here, 20 divided by 1 is 20, 23 is 60. Minus 20 divided by 4 is 5, put here 5, and 20 divided by 1 is 20, 22 is 40. Now 36 minus 40 gives you minus 4. $48 will be here. 60 plus 40 gives you 100, and 105 gives you minus 105. Minus 4 and minus 15 gives you minus 19. And this is 20. 48 minus 105 gives you 57. You can solve it by cross multiplication method. We have here minus 19 into x into 20. Here we have minus 57 into 60. If we leave here if we leave here x only, 57 into 60 here, and below them we get minus 19, and this 20 also comes down. Minus minus is cancelled. 20 ones are 20 threes are 19 ones are 19 threes are. So the value of x will be 3 threes are 9. Okay, so students,